Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, I'll introduce you to the easiest method of converting a decimal number into a binary number. The double-dabble method, or the repeat division method. Let's take the number 115 and convert it from the base 10 to base 2. 115 divided by 2 is 57. We need to keep track of the remainders in each step. So let's write the remainder 1 here. Divide 57 by 2 again. We have 28 with a remainder 1. Now 28 divided by 2 leaves us with 14 and the remainder is 0. 14 divided by 2 is 7 and the remainder is 0 again. Dividing 7 by 2, we have 3 and a remainder 1. 3 divided by 2 is 1 with a remainder 1. We'll write the final quotient 1 along with the remainders from the bottom to the top. And the encoded binary equivalent of 115 is 1110011. We have clued you enough on using the double-dabble method of converting a decimal number to a binary number. Use this method and start encoding. If you want to practice this stuff, then tutoringhour.com is the place to be. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do that right now. Thanks for watching Tutoring Hour.